Welcome back to House of Katara. We got a little rain over the last several days, so thought we'd take a little stroll around the garden, see how it looks. The winter garden is coming up nicely. We've got some Chantenay Royale carrots. Everybody's green and happy. It's my 32-year-old violets still doing their thing. I actually have a second pot of them these days. Unfortunately, the rain means the Bermuda grass is coming back. But it also means we have things like more carrots. These are Parisians. And multiple kinds of lettuce sprouting. Lettuce, the spring here is so short, lettuce just does not grow well. So we grow it in the winter instead. Over here is going to be the new greenhouse. We've got power there, so we'll be able to plug in a heater or lights. Next up, we got the area cleared off. Next up, we'll be leveling it and then laying down some sort of floor. We have the bird bath I'm going to deal with later in the week. And the Navajo blackberry decided to make a blackberry just all of a sudden a while back. But it is doing well. We had bought this off of the sale rack, a clearance rack at Lowe's. And it was one sad, pitiful little stalk. And as you see, it has survived and thrived here. We've got it co-planted with spearmint. It seems to grow really well with it. Over here, we have Spanish black radishes, another variety of carrot, some dill. But unfortunately, something came along and dug out this section. You can see here where they've done the same thing. Not sure. I caught a blue jay out here. Not sure if it's a blue jay or a squirrel. But that is the downside to having a wildlife friendly garden. This guy is an Apache blackberry. He was another rescue several years ago. We had him growing out front for the longest time in the ground, but with the multiple droughts, it was just almost impossible to keep him watered. So we moved him back here, and he produces 2 to 3 pints of berries a year. And we have him co-planted with chocolate mint. And the rest of the garden is winding down. We're going to be getting rid of these beds because they didn't perform as well as we had hoped. The construction was not correct for the amount of weight that the dirt ended up being. As you can see, probably on the sides where they're bowed from the weight. But we're going to switch over to the grow bags exclusively, and I think that will be a lot easier to deal with. This will be the first area that gets cleaned out for the new garden area, and that's going to be, we should be able to fit 10 to 20 grow bags per row, a double row in each space. We'll see what we can do. once it gets time to get that planted. But everything else, we're just in the process of cleaning up, clearing out. The fire ants had gotten really bad this year since we neglected the yard for various reasons. So this is getting cleared out. We're hoping to completely redo it. You can see down here, they're kind of choked out, but there is a naked lady lily that it's trying to bloom in there. They're also called rain lilies. They come up just randomly wherever they feel like it when it rains. This is a salvia. He's doing very well. Likes this spot, so this is probably where he's going to live. This is also about 30 years old. And then we have all of the patio tropicals. A lot of these were rescued from my partner's office when they closed down during the plague years. They shut down their physical office here. And they had marked all these plants to be thrown in the trash. So he loaded them up and brought them home, and now they live with us. But that's our garden update. And when we get the next round of projects started, I will update you on that as well. Please like and subscribe, and if you like what I do, buy me a coffee. Have an excellent rest of your day.